Tell commentary.
For the win! CodeCombat. Cheerschen.
Say the password say the password, get the pile of gems. Comments are a way for a programmer to explain their code to another programmer. In CodeCombat, comments are helpful hints on what to write and how to structure your code. Okay.
For the win! Cheerschen.
Yes, we've been seeing
Cheerschen.
the comments. This one contains the password for the wizard. Okay.
Modesty.
Use hero say function to tell the wizard the password here. Bet. Hey! What's up, pajamas? How's it going? Thanks for joining. I will take a drink. You're always keeping me hydrated. How you been? Pajamas! Okay, let's see. It says the password is Achu. So oh, that's great. Hero.say Achu.
Cheerschen.
Esutfla.
What a team!
Esutfla. Esutfla.
Oh, now I have to grab the gems. Oh. Hero move up.
Cheerschen.
Esutfla.
What a
Esutfla.
team!
Esutfla.
There we go. You have to say the password, then move up. You said you got a bunny.